So here we've got the Rococo Window Radiator. Now, the Rococo range was made by the American Radiator Company in America around 1905, and this completed their range. The normal Rococo range was an ornate decorative radiator. This is a bay window radiator, and one of the first as well. So if we look at some of the details, these frills here on bay window radiators, these give a short, stubby radiator a much better heat output. So adding these frills just increases the heating surface. This would be for where the steam boss would go in. In New York, when this was made, the majority of the boilers were steam boilers, but this can also be run on hydronic systems, and today it can be run on heat pumps. This was brought over to the UK, so it's likely on a water system. And this top bush here is quite interesting because this kind of spiral that you see is from the National Radiator Company. When the American Radiator Company started selling overseas, they set up a factory in Hull in England, and they started trading as the National Radiator Company. They'd have this one, they'd also have one that had an NRC on it, the National Radiator Company, but this was their most popular one. At the old Radiator Company, we can take these original antique radiators, over 100 years old, and we can refinish them perfectly so that they're good as new on modern heating systems, including heat pumps. We have thousands of reclaimed radiators ready to be restored. Visit the website for more details.